Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. How's everyone? I hope all of you are fine. So I got two airdrops for you. The first one is Pronet Coin. It is already listed, and Pronet Coin is currently holding up an referral reward. So you can get around $4 worth of PNC coins, and you can increase your reward by referring it. So what you have to do is you will find the airdrop link in the description. A window will open like this. You have to come and register over here. Give them your first name, last name, choose an username, input your email address, and over here you have to give them your MyEther wallet address. Most preferably you can use Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Then choose your password. Confirm the password once again. Choose your country and simply accept the terms and conditions, sort out the captcha and click register. After clicking register, a confirmation email will come to your inbox. The email address you provided over here, you have to confirm that email and you would be directed to the main page. I show you how. So when you come on your account page, see, as I have completed the airdrop task, so I have received 0.017 PNC. The value of 1 PNC is $20 plus. Simply what you have to do is, after coming to account page, click on airdrop task and a new window will open up. You have to complete the social tasks over here, as I have done all of them, so I cannot do it again, but I'll show you how. You have to join their Telegram group, their Telegram channel, follow them on Twitter, retweet their pinned post. You have to just click these links and you have to move on completing all the tasks. Follow their another Twitter account, follow them on Facebook, share their pinned post. If you have Reddit, you can follow them on Reddit as well. Every social task has the reward mentioned over here. The more tasks you will complete, the more reward you will get. So it's very legit, and the distribution would be around I think on July 10th. So I prefer not to miss this airdrop. And once you have completed all of them, you have to come back to your account page. Your balance would be shown like this. Your balance would be updated instantly. Alright guys, and you will receive these PNC coins to your MyEther wallet address you gave them while registering. You will find the link in the description. Simply join it and give this video a big thumbs up. I'll take you towards the second airdrop. It's a Telegram bot. While moving towards, if you are new to the channel, it's my humble request, kindly subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you never miss out any new video. And guys, some people gets confused and come in the inbox and ask me what to do. So I always mention that kindly watch the complete video. I guide you each and every single point so you do not make any mistakes. Let's move on towards the next airdrop. It's a Telegram bot of DLT tokens, Dollar Light. It would be soon listed, and the last date of this airdrop is 7th of June. As you can see, they are giving us 30 DLT tokens worth of $15. But it has a condition that you have to get minimum 10 referrals. So it becomes $65 in total. Simply what you have to do is click on start. A page will open like this. Join their official Telegram group, join their channel, join their partners channel, follow them on Twitter, retweet their pinned tweet, and you have to tag 3 friends. Also comment also comment on their post regarding the project. Like you can say it's a good project, a nice project, or something new to the nation, like whatever you like. And see, it mentions that you have to invite at least 10 users. So after completing all the tasks, click submit details, give them your Telegram username, give them your Twitter username, submit your MyEther wallet address, then click on the balance. It will show you your balance. Then click on the referral link. You will find your referral link, share it with your friends so you can earn a lot. So the total video today is worth around I think $90. So 2 good projects and very legit and real airdrops. So don't miss out both of them. You will find this DLT airdrop bot link in the description as well. Go and join both of these airdrops. Give this video a big thumbs up. I need your support to grow up this YouTube family. Thank you guys. Take care of yourself. Love you all. And stay tuned to the channel. You can join our social media as well. So there is a giveaway ongoing, and a new giveaway will soon come on my YouTube channel as well as on Telegram group. Take care. Bye bye.